Hey folks, this is Bruce. I want to tell you a little bit about the First Alert carbon dioxide and smoke detector. This is a device that I'm intimately familiar with. Just had to replace 3 of the detectors in the house I've been staying at because they had met their life expectancy. Yes, smoke detectors do have a set shelf life. The recommendation is every 5 to 10 years to switch them out. When I switched out, I went with First Alert because of the easy install. It has a very sleek design, and the fact that they're loud enough that I can hear. There's a very easy silence button on them, and I can see with a quick check of the light whether this device is still active. Like I said, that install was easy. The 3 devices that I installed took me less than an hour. Most of the time was going up and down that ladder. It's a device I highly recommend. Keep your family, keep your pets safe, keep your house safe, and remember, every 5 to 10 years, look at replacing your detectors altogether.